Hey guys, Carlos from RealTeaseFishing.com. Today we're going to do a quick video. We're going to keep it nice and short like we always do. Basically, we're going to take something that sounds difficult. We're going to make it extremely easy for you guys. We are going to go ahead and change the internal fuel filter, which is located underneath the cowling. This is a 200 horsepower Yamaha saltwater series. It is a 2-stroke outboard. If you have a 4-stroke outboard, chance you're going to have almost the exact same thing on your outboard. Might be a different part number, but stay tuned because it's going to be almost identical process. You'll be able to do it yourself, save yourself some money. I'm going to put the links down below for in case you have this exact same outboard. If not, you can also go to that link and you'll find your parts at partsview.com. Stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and take off the engine cowling. This right here is our fuel filter. So if you can see, little label that says 2021, that's the last time I changed it. This basically goes in there. Okay, so underneath it has a spot for...
It's important to remember that these pieces are made of plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it, and you want to make sure you use the right size socket or wrench and avoid using things like vice grips.
You can see some junk in there. Make sure that you have the O-ring in place. I'm gonna pull this one off. We're gonna replace it with our new filter. That piece right there is a 14 millimeter, and it helps you take it off. Make sure that that seal's in place, nice and clean, and we go ahead and reinstall it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to prime the primer bulb and make sure that there's no leaks. No leaks. We are good to go. All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Give us a like. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.